Hello, good evening. How are you doing today? It has been a wild day today. This morning, almost everything up before the CPI meeting, and the CPI meeting happened, and the results came out, and crypto crashed. Everyone's first question is, Teddy, why did crypto crash because of CPI data? What is it about consumer um, inflation reports that come out, and what's causing them to cause cryptocurrencies to crash, right? Tracy G in the building. Tracy G, the OG Ganja Goon herself, and number one today. So you know we're in for a treat. So I do want to talk about this. I know the cryptocurrency is down. We are at 986 billion global crypto market. That's about how much money is circulating right now in crypto. And really, we got to talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin 20,000, and I'm okay with the 20,000. Bitcoin at 20,000, I feel happy. Why? It is a good support level for Bitcoin. It's not what I would cause an immediate crash, right? No panic. I have no panic. I feel fine. But that CPI data came out of nowhere. Red Sox, damn it, CPI data. Yes, CPI data indeed. So, what is it about CPI data that's causing Bitcoin and Ethereum to drop? So, you guys know, wait, let me just make sure I know what a risk assets. Just want to say, so risk assets, right? What is a risk asset? A risk asset is an asset that has significant degree of price volatility, such as equities, commodities, high yield bonds, real estate, and currencies. And I know it says currencies, but they're really talking about cryptocurrencies, right? Cryptocurrency is a risk asset. So what happens? There's treasuries. There's all these people that give out loans, they give out money, right? And they work off of interest rates. Depending on the interest rates, you get certain returns back. Well, what happens is the CPI comes out and we realize that the inflation is up. When inflation is up, what people do, especially these treasuries, right, to keep their costs down and keep their bags happy and keep the money flowing, they decide to pay off by selling off some of their risk assets, right? Their risk assets, cryptocurrencies, guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they sell it off so they can reduce the amount of inflation they'll have to pay in the future. So now that they know, hey, CPI is up, they go, okay, wait, we should sell some of our high yield bonds, some real estate here, some cryptocurrency here in order to mitigate the basis point hike that is going to come later. Because what CPI correlates to is the basis points that it's going to come out end of the month, right? So, or whenever basis points come out. I don't know the actual date. I'm sorry. But that's literally what's happening. CPI reports end goal is to be like, hey, we have inflation coming. Did you know about inflation? And people go, yeah, I know exactly what inflation is, but how does that affect crypto? Well, they do say crypto is, what is it, like counter and oh my god, it's like it does the opposite. Like when fiat goes up, they say crypto goes down. When fiat goes down, crypto's supposed to go up. It's like counter something. I forget the actual term, but there is a definition for cryptocurrencies where it basically insinuates that cryptocurrency is a risk asset. So these banks, these treasuries, that's exactly what they're doing. They're dumping. Yo, by the way, shout out to Iron Lux Trader. Guys, if you're watching this stream right now, there is a reason you're watching. Please join us on the Telegram. We do a lot of community bonding over there. We're really building a goon gang in our Telegram. So if you can join, definitely follow Iron Lux Trader's link here. It helps us grow. Official voice chat, come join us, GGG fam. Let's go. So Bitcoin is down because I believe that's what's happened, right? So these treasuries, these guys, they need to recoup their money, account for the inflation rate coming later. So if they account for it now, then we are good later on in the month, because they've already paid off, they've already kept their interest low, they already see that bar, right, that they need to be under. That's their end goal. That's literally what every single one of these guys is doing, right? So CPI comes out, Everyone panics. The reason they're panicking is because they have to sell off now so they don't get hurt when the Fed basis points go up in the future. So they're keeping all their risk assets purged, liquidated so they can account for it. So every time someone asks me, Teddy, why are CPI um, reports causing crypto to go down? That's exactly why, guys. As long as cryptocurrency is declared a risk asset, these guys that trade off of the CPI reports and indicators and numbers, right? This is what they're accounting for, because the correlation of the CPI and the basis points is very close. And because of that, this is the sell-off that they need to do in order to account for lower interest rates and stuff in the future. Because if they pay off some of that loan now, right, you don't have to pay off as much for a longer period. So that's literally what they're accounting for every time this happens. Real estate, right? Another one. Hey, what happened the last time real estate crashed? Bailouts. These things matter. We have to keep track of exactly what's happening and what exactly is put into the CPI report, because all of this together is what's causing people to go, oh, good afternoon. I just arrived. I got rug. What's happening, bro? Nice to see you. Oh, man, you did arrive. Yeah, and I love it. Good afternoon. It's actually evening here. It's 9 p.m. Eastern. So I don't know what time it is over there. But we have to talk about Luna Classic, because this morning I bought Luna Classic on stream. If you missed it. And what did I say? Guys, the Terra Luna Classic lunatics is strong. These guys aren't playing, and the burn is 100% happening. I understand all the people. Oh, Teddy, Binance is not participating in the burn. I don't care about Binance, dude. If you guys are trading Luna Classic on Binance, that's your own fault. Why are you making that poor decision? Help the lunatics out. Remove your stuff from Binance. I'm going to make a YouTube short about this because Binance don't want to play. Well, guess what, Binance? No hate to you, no nothing. Just trying to help the lunatics community. Take your lunacy off Binance and help cause the burn. Don't be the guy that's trading in Binance. I bought yesterday at 29, and I told you guys, right? We got to go back to my levels. I always say, guys, I'm very good at finding support levels and resistance levels. So I already had Pat. So before we even saw this drop down, I had the support level at 33, and I had that support level at 29. And I got rug. You heard me, right? Right then when it came in, I'm like, guys, I don't know, because this is the support level. I'm seeing it pump back up. I think this is it. It's going to hit the support level and it's going to go back up. And that's exactly what's happening now. And now we're back in this. It's a higher grade territory, but it really isn't. There are some TA guys that will chart at these levels and put different. Let me just show you. We'll put a different support level right about here. Right about there. Yeah. So you'll see there was support here, resistance, and resistance again. So they could chart a level at 37. If that is your exit point, that is your exit point. But why do I draw these levels? Because it's very hard for us crypto investors to find out when to go in on Luna Classic. So you ask me, Teddy, now that the CPI report came out and Luna Classic, it didn't dump. Everything else, guys, went down. Why is Luna Classic continue? Look at this volume. With this volume, and I keep coming back to the volume. Ever since I turned into a lunatic again, watch any of my videos, right? This is literally Shinja Nut. What's going on? Nice to see you. I love the Ganja Goons gang profile picture representing, dude, triple G's on that shirt too. Dang. I also sold all my ETH yesterday. Absolutely. ETH is another thing. And this is something I want to talk about as well. It's going to have to, I have so much stuff I need to condense down to like a minute to just get content out there on YouTube Shorts. But ETH 2.0 merge, guys, if your exchange is not airdropping you ETH 2.0 or not migrating you over to ETH 2.0, don't like 100% look into it, because you need to figure out for this merge, is it better for you to hold that ETH in your exchange and they're helping you with the migration, or you need to pull that ETH out of the exchange and go to a wallet and stuff. 100% definitely look, because I was actually unaware myself when someone told me about the Ethereum 2.0 migration. Right? How are they going to do it? And literally, let me see. Or not the holders. Let me see. I will find it. Right here, right in this article, they literally talk about Ethereum 2.0, and you don't need to do anything. Like literally, they're gonna do. Okay, here it is. For most ETH holders, this is not all ETH holders, so make sure your exchange is participating. You don't need to do anything. There won't be a hard fork or migration. No, it does not matter if your Ether is on the exchange or not. So they're saying most of these guys will be okay. So if you have some weird wallet out there, some cold wallet out there as well, just make sure there are some smaller cold wallets. You want to make sure that they are giving you that ETH 2.0, ETH holders and staking on Ethereum 2.0. Like literally do your own diligence on whether you're getting it or not. um Let me see here. I know there was a Medium article as well about the airdrop. Each strategy, will new tokens be airdropped August 12th? All right. Is this the one? So here's another one. The merge is the hottest topic as of now. Answers for the most common questions. It's safe to say most of the crypto related conversations merging from proof of work to proof of stake, known as the merge. What happens after the merge with the POS? So this is all the validators, everything they're doing, they're switching to POS. Will there be a hard fork? No, there's no hard fork. What does Vitalik think? Uh, well, Vitalik just wants to reduce the thing. So now, will ETH holders be airdrop new tokens? At the time of writing, it's unclear how the entire situation will unfold because all the above is largely dependent whether or not the merge will be a success. Guys, it is not all easy going, right? This is why I'm saying you have to do some research here, because everyone's happy about the ETH 2.0 pumps, but make sure you're doing your research, right? In any case, it's also up to the exchange who support the resulting tokens to determine how ETH holders will receive them and how many they will get. You are not, just because you have ETH in your wallet does not mean that ETH is going to be worth something. They still don't know, right? So make sure your wallet, your exchange is participating in this merge, and you know what's going to happen to your ETH, because the worst thing I want to happen to the goons is your ETH is locked up, you can't take it out, you can't sell it, the price dropped, and you're left holding the bag. But to be honest, the way that ETH is, the way the community, the way the Ethereum maxis are, it's not all horrible. At some point it will go back up and it'll be great again. So I just want to hit on this topic because so many people are just so clueless about the ETH airdrop. And I hate to use that word clueless, but it's like, did you know about this? Did you know that there were going to be airdrops? Am I the first person to tell you this? Everyone talks about the merge. No one's talking about the real technical things behind all these tokens. And this is why, as goons, we stick together. We keep ourselves educated. We keep ourselves um, informed, and it takes an informed investor to make money. That's why I always come back to Luna Classic. Now that I am informed about Luna Classic, I understand what the burn is going to do to that circulating supply, regardless of whether the exchange participates or not. The long-term investment is far more than anything else. And right now, yeah, we're what are we, in the 30s? Our rank is in the 30s, right? I would not be surprised if this climbs back up. If this supply goes down, we have this much volume going in. We're burning X amount of tokens every day. And you guys have seen my short. You know how I do. I added more ETH, a ton more. Make sure you added it in the right place, because you just don't want to get screwed over, guys. So if you bought it on the exchange, make sure it's a trustworthy exchange, and maybe try multiple exchanges. Have one ETH here, one ETH there, one ETH there. Oh, Teddy, I can't afford that much ETH. whatever amount of ETH you have, just be careful. And it is scary, you know. At some people, maybe they don't even want to deal with all this mess. Sell all your ETH, wait till the migration's over, then buy it, right? Because this is all new territory for every single person. So I just want to make sure you guys know, love the Ganja Goon NFTs. Detail is amazing, dude. I know Terry, that guy did a lot of work there. So ETH will have limited supply after merge. After I heard you say yesterday that it can dump, I sold it all, 7 ETH. Yeah, dude, I got rug. I remember you coming in, and I'm like, dude, it can, because CPI. It's all dependent on CPI. I wonder what ETHW does. ETHW was that the staking one? ETHW. They have different versions of the ETH as well. Do you think Atom can keep running, or do you think the fun is over? I'm very limited in what I know about Atom. Well, I can tell you from like a support and resistance level, I'm pretty good at that. Let me see. Adam, how you doing? What's going on, Adam? What happened? You're doing so well for so long. So I do have to zoom out, and I'm gonna switch to the day chart, just so I can see this a little bit better. Oh wow, I love this. I really do, because when I see the MA come up like this in that upward trend, and I see this lowering down about to cross, that gives me that sign, that bullish sign potentially in the future for this token. So let us just do some quick charting here. Is this thing? Oh man, this thing dumped from the initial time that it came out. Oh wow. All right. Make my life a little bit more difficult then, shall you? All right, so let's see levels of things. I'm gonna do one right at the top there, which was a high before takeoff. I'm gonna do one at the last high, and the last high is important because on the downward trend, this was a major support. See, support. Like it held this, and this is the day candle. So this is a very important one as well. And I'm going to chart a little bit above as well. I will hit it on the last high before it started downtrending. And then we have one more, which is the last resistance before it truly took that dip. So we have a lot here already, levels established. Now we're looking at the bottom level. So we're going to go to the low before consolidation right about there. So it's support, resistance. So this works very well. I'm going to do one more right at the end, which is the last level there for this bottom, right? So we are now in this territory. And I actually see one more right here. Dude, this is like quadruple top here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Resistance, support, resistance, support. Whoop. Put that back there. All right, so I am now here for Atom. This is a big gray area. This candle fell very quickly. We won up very quickly. So I assume we're going to consolidate at this level around this gray area. So we are looking from 17 to around 13, right? If I was looking for entry points into this, especially on this uptrend, because this is a clear uptrend, right? I would look for entry points on every red candle and when it breaks this support line. So I would get in under 14, I would get in under 12, I would get in under 8. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I'm saying if I was looking for an entry point into Atom, this is where I would think it would go. And also now knowing that the highs, the established highs, the previous high before the sell-off, I also know that it can continue to uptrend into this area and you could recuperate. This is, I think, a 2x. You get in at 14, you would 2x by the time it goes up. So that's very huge. Suresh83, what's going on, man? Thank you for the great title. Dude, Suresh83 is killing it for us, coming up with these great titles for all of us so we become educated together, because I think the more we know, the more we can teach others. But these are true things that I do see. I would keep an eye on it. You know, if I'm looking for an entry point into Atom, these are the areas that I would look at. So if it does dip below, even here, hugging this line, hugging is okay because it does have room to run. But if it falls below the line, do look for the next support. And really, you can find support everywhere because people are just trading this like anything as well. And it's on that bull run. So this chart is on a bull run, Teddy. Where you at, Teddy? Dude, that's pretty good, man. Even when I zoom out like that, those levels are established like that. That looks so good. That looks so good. It's definitely got a leg up. Even this is healthy consolidation, is all it seems. I know because look how high and quickly this green candle went up, and then the red candle comes down, but it's followed up. It continues to go up. So there's something going on here. I'm still bullish about it. I think it's making something is happening to this, whether it's the ecosystem or something is causing this token to go. Luna C will sure lose at least 1-0 by end of 2022. I can agree with this statement now that I know. I'm no longer saying no. I believe this is correct. I believe what you say is correct. So we'll go back to Luna C here. Boom. Yeah, so this is looking very, very good. I think it's about to turn green right now. This candle is red, but I think it's going to flip. I think more and more people are going to start buying Luna C once they wake up. That's being modest, though. Yeah, that is being modest. In all realities, this thing is going to pump. Teddy, should I buy more Luna C because I have a very small bag? I would buy more Luna C. I bought more Luna C this morning, right? And look at where it's at now. So, and look, this candle did turn green. You see? You see? Luna wormhole is classic. Luna wormhole is classic. So we talked about this morning. Go to CoinMarketCap. In CoinMarketCap, there's this contracts. Under contracts, you click more. You can find the BNB contract and you can find the Ethereum contract. If it says wormhole, that is the contract. If it says wormhole, it is completely okay. Right? So we bought this ourselves. Many of you said, oh, Teddy, I can't buy this on BNB. I don't know how. And I walked you through it this morning. Go to bridge.shibnobi.com, connect your wallet, put in your amount that you want to bridge over, quote it. It'll tell you. Oh, embarrassing. I didn't connect my wallet. MetaMask. 1 second, guys. Let me just connect real quick. So once you're connected, then you can quote. Once it quotes, this is how much BNB, or I'm sorry, this is how much ETH I would receive because it went from BNB to ETH on the bridge. So now, if I want to go from ETH to BNB, I connect with my wallet on the Ethereum chain, and watch this, right? Boom, ETH change. Now I know I have this much ETH, 0.19, and I know that if I quote again, I can get 0.83 BNB. I bridge it, it lands in my wallet, right? So once it's in my wallet, I go back to this. I grab the contract address from CoinMarketCap of the BNB. I go to something called PancakeSwap, right? In PancakeSwap, we click that. Yep, got a trade to BNB. Your BNB will now show up in your wallet. As soon as it shows up, you can go to PancakeSwap, paste that contract address in. Boom, there it is. Move that up, and then there you go. Now you can purchase the Luna. It is the same contract address. You see, it says Luna Wormhole. This is it. This is Luna Classic, and this whole thing is bridge too, right? So like bridge dot terra dot money classic bridge. So the classic bridge is also bridged here. I'll show you this. So you can legit go from BSC to Terra Classic, Ethereum, like wherever you need to go, you can do it, and it is great. From Terra, I'm sorry, it's from BSC to Terra Station, and then Terra Station back to wherever you need to be. So there's a lot of good things to get in very easily. So don't miss this. Don't miss this. I'm late to the chat. Ecobella, you are late today. What happened? Ellis Jackson, Teddy, Luna Wormhole considered Luna 2.0 or Terra Luna Classic? It is Luna Classic. It is Luna Classic. Luna Wormhole is Luna Classic. No problem. GGG. I'm late to the chat. Do you think BTC will keep dumping? I do not. I do not. I think, and I will show you my BTC chart as well. Oh, B, oh, B. Oh my God. Can you stop doing that? I hate when I have my fingering position wrong. Oh, do I not have my levels on here still? Oh, man. Oh, man. Let me see. No, it is on here. Wrong one. Sorry. So you guys talk about support and resistance levels, right? Today is proof. I did not change this since the last time I showed you the Bitcoin chart. So I charted it at 19,930, 21,853, and look how nicely on this day this chart lines up, right? There's a reason I always say I look for entry points on resistance and support levels because those things matter. If I'm looking to trade this effectively or I'm looking for long-term holds, I need to look for these types of patterns on established top 100 tokens, right? So when it comes to Bitcoin, dude, I cannot make this stuff up. It pumped. I knew the next leg up would be 24K. We got to 22K. Nothing truly established here. I knew I could chart, and a lot of people hit me on this too. The guys that know TA that I could have charted one here as resistance support here, but it seemed very sloppy at 22.6. But now that is the initial high, I am going to bump this up to the last high before it went up, which is at 22.8. So that is a new level I've established. I'm putting it on there. You don't have to agree with that, but I do want to say that there was a point where this was resistance in the past in June of 15th, right? So this is the reason I charted that level. Now we know the support was at 1993, which I've charted before, and look how nicely 1993 we caught that support. We're back up. We're gonna, I think, continue to be in this area from 21 to 19, which I'm happy with. Where I get worried and I would consider a dump was if we had crossed over 2 or 3 support levels without me realizing it. So if it jumped all the way to 17,000, then I would say, okay, yeah, it could dump more, because now we're in that territory. But right now, it caught its support on that first level before I threw the charted level up there. So I believe it's going to continue consolidating till the basis points come out again, and then we'll see what happens. But I think we're lining ourselves up. All of our eggs are in the right basket. We're doing all the right things. I understand. If you guys missed it, go listen to what I said about CPI data early on, right? Do I need a Terra Station wallet? No, you don't need a Terra Station wallet. Just do it in Binance. You're fine. I was late to join the stream. I heard you was talking in ETH merge. Can you make a short video? Can you make a short video on ETH merge to help subscribers like me? Yes, Suresh83. This is definitely something I will talk about because no one's talking about whether those air tokens are going to be airdropped to you or how it's going to work, right? And this was August 12th, 2022, guys. Not everyone is doing it. Maybe a lot of people are okay, right? But not everyone should be. So make sure you are able to do that. So I'll do that for you, Suresh. I'm going to do that. Either way, I think it's fine. Oh, hey, Steve the Canadian, what's going on? Smoke that like, indeed. Crash Crypto, love the FOMO, man. Oh my God, dude, the goons are representing. The profile pictures are changing. We're growing bigger. Red Sox, we're growing bigger. Teddy, how many Lunacy do you hold now? I think 2.8 million on this wallet. 2.8 million. So that's 3.7 BNB. So I think that's like 1,000 that I have in there. Dude, I want even more. I wanna get to like 5,000. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I gotta pull profit somewhere to get to 5,000 and keep buying it. Teddy, you're awesome, but go big on SHIB. On SHIB? On SHIB? Wait, why SHIB? Dude, why are you going big on SHIB right now, man? What do you know that I don't know? Dude, this is actually pretty healthy consolidation for Shiba Inu, to be honest. Very rough draft. I'm not saving this one. But you see, look at this. Boom. Right, 1, 2, right about there. Because I see right here, you see the resistance. You see the resistance. Dude, this is a healthy area. Okay, so now, boom. We're gonna do one at the last resistance just to see. That goes nowhere. That never helped you. Oh yeah, there was resistance here. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that could even bump up a little bit more. Okay, great, great. Just looking at past levels. Oh dude, there's levels even underneath this. Oh man, maybe I should have charted this. Oof. The last low. All right. This is like a quadruple bottom here. What the hell? What? Give me those. Yeah, maybe. Dude, just knowing what I know about Shiba, this is actually a good entry point in, I think. Just the way it could run. So if I was looking, I would look for an entry point under 12. I would look for an entry point under 10. And then if it gained to 0, I would look for an entry point. And then, yeah, I'd just be holding on because this is consolidation. And it's important, too, because when you zoom out, right, look at how low this volume is, guys. So no one's actually looking at this right now. And that's hilarious because this is rank 14. Dude, yeah, maybe you have something here. Maybe you have something here. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. ETH merge is buy rumors, sell the news. I got rug. If you can't figure out whether your exchange is gonna be part of the merge, then I would just stay out of it, man, because there's gonna be so much scams that go on during that time that I just like I'm more SHIB metaverse. Oh, is that what you're saying? I see. Crypto's dev sent secret Etherscan message that merge will affect cryptos. Next clue to be dropped. Crypto's whale still holding. I'm freaking out. LMAO. Dude, I'm in cryptos, I think. Am I? Do I still own that? There's so many things I buy and just like I forget what I buy now. Because so many people just send me plays. They're like, Teddy, look at this, look at this. And I FOMO into everything because I don't want to miss out. Do I own cryptos? Dude, I own cryptos. What happened? Cryptos, are we up? Oh, oh, we're down. No, I actually don't know. I'm okay. I'll hold this. It's not that much. Ugh. Ugh. Wait, how much hex? 178 hex? How much is this worth? $6. I got $6 worth of hex. Damn. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Shibarium. Yeah, big on Shib. Oh, wait, we got Shib restaurants, aka Wellies. If you have MetaMask, you don't have to do nothing. Merge wise, however, I'll have to add ETH-W if you want that airdrop for proof of work fork when it happens. Wait, but I thought the ETH-W only comes out if the fork happens. If the fork will happen, then ETH-W comes out and stuff, right? To answer this question, let's first examine what a hard fork is. It can be described as a permanent divergence from the latest version of the blockchain, which leads to separation of the blockchain. Some nodes will no longer meet the consensus, which means there are two different versions of the network running separately, which is what happened with Ethereum Classic and Ethereum right now. By definition, the merge is hard forked because it will mark the end of the blockchain governed by proof of work and will set the beginning of the new one that's run by proof of stake. However, for a hard fork to have any economic or social significance, it needs support. There needs to be nodes that are going to continue operating on the old network. Stirring the waters considerably over the past weeks was Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, who said that they hold over 1 million ETH. This was in response to Poloniex, the first one to support forking of ETH with the listing of two potential fork tokens, ETH-S and ETH-W. ETH-S being proof of stake, ETH-W being proof of work, right? This is the thing that Anthony Williams is telling us about. Other exchanges that have announced support for the hard fork and the tokens might spawn out of it, including BitMEX, which will have enabled leverage towards POW-based ETH and the merge. So literally, all these validators are coming over to do the ETH, right? If this thing happens, in reality, their goal is no fork and it stays ETH and ETH. But unfortunately, that's not how blockchain works. And they're saying, hey, there's going to be people still supporting ETH and ETHW, and this is how the separation of ETH and ETH 2.0 is going to happen, right? So in case of new fork tokens, Binance will evaluate the support for distribution and withdrawal of fork tokens. So this is why I tell you guys again, don't be lazy on figuring out ETH and ETH 2.0. Just because all these crypto influencers tell you, oh, ETH 2.0, go do all this. Guys, don't just believe them blindly. They make sure you are going to get either airdropped or some way you're going to get these ETH 2.0s tokens. This is no possibility. This is no possibility for Bull Run ever. What I'm talking about is Luna Classic having its own Bull Run and Atom having its own Bull Run. But I definitely do believe Bitcoin won't drop any more than what we've already established as levels in this chart. Hit the like. Randy Niels, I appreciate that, guys. 24 of us here. We're growing strong. Please smoke that like button. Helps the channel grow. Keeps us going in the algorithm to let the YouTube gods know that we are here. We are getting pumped up. We're getting our Lambos stacked. Stacking Lambo after Lambo after after Lambo. This is what we do. We stack Lambos here. You stacking Lambos or you stacking Corollas? Because we're okay with both. You can stack anything. We got a lot of fans of Toyota Corollas in here. Me and Red Sox, we're going to get them Toyota Corollas. Have you ever seen a Toyota Corolla? It's got everything. Yeah, I would hold on to that cryptos. It's pretty much bottomed and has Cult DAO and M87 whales plus 5K market cap, micro cap. Only need to get to 10 million for a 10,000x. Only. Dude, Cult DAO, Revolt, Crypto News. Dude, thank you. I appreciate you stopping by. That could be true. Teddy, I bought more Lunky. Let's go, Lunky. I'm a lunatic, so let's go, lunatics. Let's go, Red Sox. Red Sox, when Toyota Corolla Red Sox. Teddy's working hard. Give him a like, dude. We're all working hard. We all want to make financial freedom happen. We all want to stop working, right? Want to get to the point that we can just go to whatever beach we want, dude. That is my dream too. Like all of you, it is my dream too. I want to stop working. I want to just do whatever I want, right? Like how happy would we all be if that could happen? Oh man, just imagine. Dun, 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 dun. Actually, see you. I see you. Support. It'll be interesting. 1576, huh? 1693. Oh wow, that's a great one there. I gotta. I'm just charting this for myself, so I don't keep having to do this over and over again. I can keep mental notes of all this. Oh yeah, I drew this in to see how accurate I was. Dude, this is coming closer and closer. You see this moving averages? Dude, as they come closer and closer, that makes me so happy. Please make it happen. The closer these MAs come up, the happier I'll be. That's the MA 200 and 500, and I'm looking for that bullish golden cross to happen, as Thanos would say. Dude, this is great. Love this. I love this. Healthy. Pulse Shaner, any thoughts on Sweatcoin up 500% on the day? Could be a stepping killer walk to earn. No, there is no stepping killer, man. Red Sox, the OG. Let me see. I actually haven't heard of it. I need to check. What are you talking about? You already do what you want. I already do what I want. Al Cleary, come out of nowhere. Al, what's going on, man? I pretty much try to do what I want, but it never actually ends up happening that way. I just do what others tell me to do. Oh man. But I also, yeah, there's so many things. Step in. I just want to quickly look at step in, run to earn. What? This is not the right one. Wait. Okay, let's just look at it. Sweatcoin. It's literally called Sweatcoin. Wait, is this on CoinMarketCap? I probably should have checked there first. Sweatcoin. Oh my god. Is it this one? Sweat Sweat economy? No. He said it was up 500%. This thing ain't even up. Okay, so it must be Sweatcoin. Ethereum? There it is. Sweatcoin. Is it a honeypot? Yep, honeypot. Run the F away. Get the heck out of here. Do not buy this. Do not buy this. Oh my god. That's hilarious. Good thing I checked. Yeah, dude, now they have the thing right here, a honeypot. Wait, let's just check Token Sniffer too, because that's also there. Oh, Token Sniffer says no go, guys. No go. I think it was the first chart you pulled up, not a honeypot. Wait, this one? Sweat economy? This one's not up. It's down 1.38%. Oh, wait. Let me check the 7-day. Maybe it is up. What? What? What is happening here? All right, let me go back up. So it's not this one. It's not the honeypot. Yeah, seems real. USDC 1,290 holders. Okay, fairly new. What's happening? Oh, you're up. Oh, it just came out today. And it's already got a CMC listing. Damn. Right. That's 700%. Yeah, this is the one. The first one was the one. Dude, nice. So what do these guys do? Whew. Could have been honeypotted. Sweat. Users in Web 2 and Web 3. Oh, yeah. Walking in Web 3. I recently saw some crazy metaverse videos of guys on like bolted into walking ramps and stuff where they run around on metaverse. You shorting anything today? I'm not shorting anything today. I'm so bad with timing shorting, and I've seen so many people lose money that it's bad. Step in, that's a scam. Red Sox, sweat economy, man. What do you think? What do you think? They got real people. Look at the founders. Igor. Man, Igor, you looking, dude, models. These guys are models. Anton, Henry. Yo, Pulse Chainer, get them on the channel. Tell them let's do an AMA. Yeah, it's the one. It just launched. Yeah, this one just launched. Yeah, nice. Sup, Nekar. Dude, I sold 2 of my motorcycles today. I'm sorry. I know you're upset. But I have a baby coming, and it's just that I don't have the time like I used to. So I had to sell. I had to sell. And now I'm down to just 1. We'll see what happens. Where do you short? What website is the wait? Where do you short? What website in the Illinois? Oh shit, 2. Yeah, dude, I got rid of my Gixxer and my Honda Shadow, so the Cruiser is gone. All I got is the Gixxer now. Subscribe to the channel, turn bell notifications on, dude. Iron Lux Trader, dude, you are shilling this channel like anything. I appreciate it. Guys, I definitely want to make some short videos for you guys while I got time. So I'm gonna go. I will see you again tomorrow, 7:50 a.m. Eastern. I stream 2 times a day, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, 7:50 a.m. Eastern. So catch me either or. Stop in, say hi, smash the like, help us goons know you're here. Dude, I was on the job site today. When I got back to my bike, someone had sawed the lock off the top box and took my riding coat and gloves. Oh my god, I've had that happen with some of my friends where they had scooters in DC and stuff, and people just like jacked everything from the scooter. Plus my car keys and credit card in the pocket. Dude, that is horrible. Little Teddy is baby need diapers and shoes. Yes, Ellis, exactly. Teddy's the man and legend in space. Thank you. Sweat got listed on KuCoin today. What? This is already listed on KuCoin? Is that why the chart is up? Oh my god. It literally got listed on KuCoin already. These guys got money then. So they released today and they're already on KuCoin. What? I gotta keep an eye on this. Thank you for telling me this, dude. Pulse Chainer, awesome. Thanks for stopping by. Villagran 71. I will have to keep a watchful eye on this. Thank you. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Goodbye.